Hi guys, I've been asked to do a review on the Saker Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. It's a handheld bed vacuum cleaner with 16,000 PA suction, UVC light, 140 degree heated air HEPA filter. It has an aroma function that you can actually stick a little smell thing in there and it'll make everything smell fresh. 16.4 feet cord for cleaning bed, sofa, and couch. So, a little bit about this machine. It actually has a container and it snaps off. Then at one end it snaps off there, and there's the filter. It is washable so that you don't have to replace it. Then you can place that back on it. Then the other end has where you dump all of your stuff out. And then you just reattach it to the vacuum. Now if you look here, you have the adjustments of the speed, and it'll go 50% and 100%. It also has the UV light. So it'll go on. Whoops, I just disconnected, sorry.
Yeah.
And then it'll go up again to 100%. It looks for dust mites. It's ultrasonic, and you'll see it where it's heated here. The Aroma, we don't have one in there, but it's got 100% at UV violet rays. Now it also has where you can remove
The brush.
your brush. And then you can wash that and put it right back in. And it slides right back in there. Just like so. Okay, so now we're going to vacuum. We do have 2 cats. So we're going to show you how nice it vacuums all that cat hair and stuff up. Mites, anything else that might be attaching to your couch. Look how nice that's cleaning that up.
That really is really good.
What?
Not real hard to push.
It's real easy to push.
Really easy to push. You got it.
Well, that does. And it's not very heavy either.
No, not at all.
How about the arm of the chair where the cats like to sit? Wow. That really cleaned that up big time. And it is really, really lightweight.
It's quiet, really.
And it is quiet too.
You know, we'll do this while you're watching TV.
Yeah. Now the UV light, you can turn it off.
Wrong button.
You did the same thing I did. Now the UV light only works when the rollers are working. So it won't turn on until the rollers are moving. So I will have a link below. Take a look at it. Right now they're 50% off, and I think it's well worth it. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Make a good Christmas present for kids that I know that's got 2 dogs and 2 cats, and
Yeah.
a dog and a cat. And our other kid has a cat and a dog. So yeah, I think those would make great gifts. So give it a look.
Did you want to see what it cleaned up?
And see, well, you can go ahead. Go ahead. He's all excited now. Wow. And believe it or not, you guys, I just vacuumed 2 days ago. And look at all that.
That's what it left behind.
Yeah. After using my regular
What's filler
vacuum
look like?
thing.
There it goes.
You can just show me the vent over here.
It looks pretty clean right now.
Yeah. I think it does a great job. And it'd make a great Christmas present. So you guys have a great day and take a look. I think you're going to like it.